Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Car of Today. Today we are switching it up. Instead of yapping about one car for a little bit, I'm going to yap about 5 cars. 5 sports cars in particular. 2025 is approaching fast, so the people deserve to know what sports cars are going to be worth looking at in the coming year. Let's kick things off with the Chevy Corvette. The new Z06 is a beast. Its 5.5-liter flat-plane V8 delivers a very nice 670 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. That's faster than some supercars that cost twice as much. But if you want versatility with your thrills, meet the hybrid E-Ray. Its V8 electric combo churns out 655 horsepower and adds all-wheel drive, making it the first Corvette you can confidently drive all year round. Inside, the Corvette gives you a digital cockpit, premium materials, and options like magnetic ride control to tame even the twistiest roads. When it comes to sports car royalty, the Porsche 911 sits comfortably on the throne. The 2025 Carrera's twin-turbo 3-liter flat-six engine delivers a potent 379 horsepower, while the Turbo S rockets you to 640. Rear-wheel drive paired with Porsche's active suspension management keeps every curve razor-sharp. For even more precision, opt for the Sport Chrono package, which adds launch control and sharper throttle response. And of course, this isn't just a car, it's an experience. A luxurious cabin, flawless design, and Porsche's engineering make the 911 truly an amazing vehicle. Compact doesn't mean boring, especially with the 2025 BMW 2 Series. The M240i xDrive packs a 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine with 382 horsepower, and thanks to near-perfect weight distribution, it's like the car reads your mind on corners. This little thing hits 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Inside, the latest iDrive system and high-end finishes make every drive feel luxurious, while driver assist tech keeps you safe and in control. Sporty, practical, and undeniably fun, the 2 Series is perfect for those who want it all. Next, the Audi RS5 Sportback, a car that effortlessly blends power with practicality. Its 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 delivers 444 horsepower and takes you from 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. With Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive, you'll feel confident tackling tight corners, rain-soaked roads, or anything in between. And let's talk about looks. The sleek Sportback design, honeycomb grille, and quad exhaust tips scream performance. Inside, Audi has built a tech-savvy 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with premium materials. Finally, let's meet the newest star, the Mercedes AMG SLE, replacing both the C-Class and E-Class coupes. The CLE combines elegance with athleticism. The CLE 53 AMG comes with a 3-liter inline-6 and mild hybrid assist, producing 429 horsepower. For drivers who want style with substance, the CLE offers a balance of refined comfort and AMG level of performance. Step inside and you're greeted with the latest MBUX infotainment system, high-end materials, and sporty design details that remind you this is no ordinary coupe. That does it for this episode of The Car of Today. Leave a comment on what car you want to see in a future video.